Peppers bring vibrant energy to any garden. Their rich colors and bold shapes add beauty, while their fruits deliver flavor like nothing else. But behind every lush pepper plant is a bit of care and the right nourishment. Today, I'll show you a super simple, fully natural recipe that can make a real difference in their growth and health. We'll begin by grinding 1 tablespoon of dried lentils into a fine powder. A basic coffee grinder works great for this step. Once you've created the powder, mix into half a liter of warm water and stir well. Lentils are packed with valuable nutrients. They're rich in plant-based protein, phosphorus, iron, and B vitamins. These elements help peppers develop strong roots, sturdy stems, and increase fruit production, all while improving soil fertility in the process. Next, stir in 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt. Yogurt may seem like an odd choice, but it's full of calcium and beneficial microorganisms that strengthen a plant's immune system. Its mild acidity also helps unlock nutrients in the soil, making them easier for the roots to absorb. It's a gentle but effective booster, especially useful for peppers in warmer climates. Now, to keep pests and diseases at bay, add half a teaspoon of dried lavender flowers. Lavender not only smells amazing, but it's also a natural insect repellent that keeps away aphids, whiteflies, and other unwanted visitors. Plus, it offers protection from common fungal diseases like mildew and blight, without any need for chemicals. Once you've added everything, give the mixture a good stir and let it sit at room temperature for 3 to 4 hours. This allows all the ingredients to release their nutrients and beneficial properties. After that, strain the liquid and dilute it with 2 more liters of water. Apply this nourishing solution every 2 weeks by pouring 300 milliliters at the base of each pepper plant. With regular use, your peppers will become more vigorous, resilient, and ready to reward you with a beautiful harvest. If you found this helpful, don't forget to share it with your fellow gardeners. Thanks for watching and happy growing.